Here are 6 things I was told about the journey of motherhood and pregnancy before I got married. Now, 2 happens to be true, 2 were false, and the other 2, I am not certain if they are true or false. For the ones that are true, I was told that you cannot explain labor pains to someone until the person goes through labor by herself. You cannot explain that, this is how it feels like, this is how you feel and all that. And then I was also told that once you give birth to your baby, the whole labor pains disappears, and this is true. So while growing up, I asked a lot of women what labor pains feels like, and most of them will tell me that they cannot explain it, that I should just wait until I experience it myself. And if I'm asked now, honestly, I can't explain it. The whole process, it was really painful and all, but I can't tell you what it feels like. Then for the delivery part, immediately you deliver your bundle of joy. Trust me, the whole pain will disappear, because at that point, I even started making calls. I had to pick up my phone before they would even clean me up. I had to pick up my phone to give the good news to my mom and my loved ones. My husband was outside. I couldn't wait for him to break the news to them. I just decided to do it myself. So you can't explain labor pain to anybody, and you are going to feel relieved. The whole pain will disappear once you give birth to your bundle of joy. Secondly, that breastfeeding helps your uterus to return to its normal size. And this is true. It does this by making your body to secrete a hormone called oxytocin, and this oxytocin causes your uterus to contract and it will go back to its normal size. Now, this is a tip for mothers. While breastfeeding, make sure you close your legs while you are breastfeeding your baby. Okay, I've dropped tips of how to breastfeed your baby properly, but when you're breastfeeding them, to help your uterus contract to its normal size, cross your leg while breastfeeding your baby, like close your legs. For the 2 things I was told about motherhood that were not true, that did not happen to me, was that I'm going to put on a whole lot of weight when I give birth. Like if I give birth to my first child, I'm going to gain so much weight and it will be impossible for me to lose that fat. Even after telling them that I'm going to watch what I eat, I'm going to watch my weight, they will still discourage me. Now, this is what I'm going to tell mothers. You have to love your new look after delivery. Don't let anybody make you feel like it's impossible. Love your body, and then if you want to go back to the size you wear, you can do it. It is very, very possible. You just need to be determined to do what it takes to get back to that size. Okay? Now, breastfeeding helps you to lose that childbirth fat. When you breastfeed your baby very well, it will help you to shed off the fat. I'm even trying to gain back some weight after breastfeeding my baby for 10 months. He's 1 year old now, and I'm trying to add some weight. So you can do it. Don't let anybody make you feel less of yourself. And childbirth is a blessing. Motherhood is a blessing. Secondly, what I was told that is false is that one method of delivery is better than the other.
No, never. Y'all will.
Now, there is nothing like normal delivery and abnormal delivery. Please. What we have is vaginal delivery and CS, and no one is better than the other. They are both good methods of delivery as long as mother and baby are. So don't let anyone make you feel like one delivery process is better than the other. Do what works for you, okay? They both have different healing process, but none of them is easier. So do what works for you. Don't let anybody make you feel less human, okay? As long as you're fine and your baby is fine, that's all that matters. And I'll be making a video for husbands that want their wife to give birth vaginally.
Hey, come here. Look at me. Hey, look at me. What'd I say?
Feeling like vaginal birth is better than CS. I'm going to make a video to talk to husbands, because you see some people, when they ask them to give consent for CS, they will still insist that they want their wife to give birth vaginally. Please, her health matters, okay? Her life matters, so she gets to decide the process or the method she wants. Now, for the other 2 that I'm not sure of, I was told that we should stop applying cream on our stomach if you are a woman, and that is because if you happen to deliver through CS, that it might be difficult for them to stitch your stomach, for them to stitch the skin there, because the skin will be too soft and light. Or even if they stitch it, it might tear open. So you should stop applying cream. I don't know if it's true, because I've not I've not done CS before, so I don't know if it is true. Mothers can give their opinion on this, but what I have to say is don't apply bleaching cream on your stomach. You can use Vaseline, you can use oils. So that's all I have to say on this one. And for the second one, that if you are pregnant with a male child, that you're going to look very beautiful, you're not going to have any skin reaction or acne and all that you are going to look very good, but you will not like to use your creams, your perfume and all that. But if you're pregnant with a female child, that your shakara will be on the highest level and you may have skin reaction, acne and all that. You're going to look different because your female child is taking all your beauty, your inner beauty. So I don't know if that's true, because I have boys. So mothers, you can also share your comments on this one. I would like to know. Mothers, I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, comment, share and follow for more of these videos, and for other mothers to benefit from it. I remain your #1 advocate for healthy babies. Bye.